Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a question many of you have. How long does it take to see results from ads on Craigslist? Let's break it down. First off, remember that Craigslist is a bustling marketplace with tons of users posting ads daily. So how quickly you see results can vary. But generally, you should start seeing some activity within the first 24 to 48 hours after posting your ad. Here's a few factors that can influence the speed of your result. You should understand Craigslist dynamics. Some categories and locations are more active than others. If you're posting in a high demand area or category, you might see results faster. Next is crafting compelling ad content. Discover the power of compelling headlines and inciting description to understand your customers. Next is understanding strategic timing. Posting your ad at peak times can help. Early mornings and late evenings are often the best time to post because more people are browsing. And the last is optimizing ad placement, which also defines strategic timing. Means being present where your audience is most receptive. Hit the like, share and subscribe button for more video. Thank you for watching and happy posting.